As the festive season approaches, South Africa's Department of Transport issues a critical warning about the dangers on our roads. Tragically, most road crashes during this period are not accidents, but direct results of human error. High-risk routes include the N1, notorious for heavy traffic and reckless overtaking, and the N2, especially in KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, plagued by speeding and drunk driving. The N3, a busy holiday route between Johannesburg and Durban, sees significant truck and bus congestion. The N4, popular with tourists, is prone to fatigue and speeding. Other dangerous roads include the N12, R61 in the Eastern Cape, and the R71 in Limpopo, often affected by poor conditions and mixed traffic. To ensure your safety, always avoid alcohol, obey speed limits, and conduct basic vehicle checks before any long journey. Remember to take breaks every 2 hours, never overload your vehicle, and always ensure everyone wears a seatbelt. By following these crucial safety tips, you can help reduce road fatalities and ensure a safer festive season for all.